In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in IQCent. Now, the first thing you have to do in here inside the dashboard, inside the trading platform, you want to click on Add Funds at the very top right. And then here, you want to select your country as well as your payment option. So, of course, if you want to deposit money, you're likely going to be selecting a bank wire transfer or bank cards. And then here, you can select your funding method. So here for me, as you can see, it's a Visa and MasterCard. That's fine with me. You have to also put in the deposit amount here. So I'm going to do 100, and then you can see if you have any promo codes, you could go ahead and activate those as well. I currently don't. After that, here you can just put in your card details and decide if you want to save the card or not. So type in your card details, select the country, city, address, zip code, and phone number, and then here you'll be able to click on pay down here at the very bottom right, and that's pretty much all you have to do to make a deposit. However, if you're using a bank wire transfer, over here it's going to show you how to do it again. As you can see here, you can again just click on that, select the deposit amount, and click on pay now, and then you'll be able to see the details you have to send to. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.